Before you spend money on a Scrum Master certification, ask yourself this one question. Is becoming a Scrum Master still worth it in 2026? Because the answer is not as simple as yes or no. If you're planning to build a career in Agile, you've probably heard about CSM, Certified Scrum Master. But with AI, automation, and changing job roles, many professionals are confused. Is Scrum Master still relevant? In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the basics. CSM stands for Certified Scrum Master. It is a globally recognized certification that validates your understanding of Scrum. Scrum is an agile framework used by companies to manage projects faster and better. Think of Scrum Master as team facilitator, problem solver, process guide. A Scrum Master is not a manager. They don't assign work or control people. Instead, they help teams follow agile practices, remove blockers, improve team productivity, ensure smooth communication. Their main goal: help the team deliver value faster. So why did CSM become so popular? Because companies started shifting to Agile. And Agile needs structure. That's where Scrum comes in. Today, industries like IT, banking, telecom, healthcare all use Scrum teams. Now, the big question. Is Scrum Master still relevant in 2026? Yes, but with a twist. Earlier, companies needed only Scrum knowledge. Now they expect more. Today's Scrum Master needs Agile plus business understanding, communication skills, basic technical awareness, AI awareness. Let's talk about AI, the biggest change. Many people think AI will replace Scrum Masters, but that's not true. AI can automate tasks like reports, tracking, updates, but it cannot replace human communication, conflict resolution, team coaching. So the role is evolving, not disappearing. CSM is not for everyone. It is best for project managers, developers moving into leadership, business analysts, freshers entering Agile roles. If you want to work in Agile teams, it's a strong starting point. Let's talk about career growth. Scrum Masters are in demand globally. In India, entry-level 6 to 10 LPA, mid-level 10 to 20 LPA, senior roles 20 plus LPA. But remember, certification alone won't get you a job. Skills plus experience equals real growth. So, is CSM worth it in 2026? Yes, if you are ready to grow beyond just certification. If you treat it as a skill, not just a certificate. Because today's Scrum Master is becoming a key role in how teams deliver success. If you're planning to start your Agile journey, choosing the right training makes all the difference. At Simpliaxis, we've helped thousands of professionals build successful Agile careers. With expert trainers, real-world learning, and practical insights. Check the link below and take your first step. Don't wait. The right opportunity starts with the right decision.